something up in the woods making noise right now. All right, guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping back in and seeing what I'm doing today. I know it's been 2 or 3 weeks since I've posted a video. For one thing, I've been doing a lot of work around the property here. I was behind on a few things, been trying to get caught up. Pretty much got all that work done. And number two, the heat here has been incredible. We're in the middle of a heat wave. The heat index has been like 105 and 106 for the last 2 or 3 weeks. The humidity levels has been like 80%. It's just been like really miserable to be outside. But the last couple of days, temperatures kind of went down a little bit. We've had a few storms to roll through here, kind of cool things off. The big thing is the humidity level is like a lot lower. It's like 87 degrees right now. A lot better than what it has been. It's actually comfortable to be out here doing things. So I thought I'd take this time to make a video about this right here. I picked this up a couple weeks ago. This is the, got it from Harbor Freight. This is the Pittsburg portable tire changer. I've never had one of these before. I've heard about them, and I've heard good things about them. I've heard bad things about them. But I thought I would give it a chance, so I went ahead and picked up one. And in today's video, all we're going to be doing is just unboxing it, putting it together, and just taking a look at it. Because some videos I've seen about this, you know, they're kind of a little bit on the cheap side, rinky-dink type stuff, you know. And you can do full-size tires with it, but from what I've seen, I think these are more suited to like ATV tires and side-by-side tires. I know you can do full-size tires, which is what it literally advertises on the box. But you know, it looks to be a struggle to do some of the bigger tires with this particular tire changer here. But I think it'll be really suited well for ATV tires and side-by-side tires. All right, let's go ahead and open this up. Now, I did already open it up a little earlier and just took a peek inside of it to make sure that all the parts were here, because I've heard that some people has purchased these, and when they got them home, you know, some of the parts were missing or they were damaged. But I did open this up, and all the parts seem to be here. So got the tire on. Oh, wow. I will say it is heavy. It's a heavy little outfit. But you got the main part of it right here. Got the base down here. Got 4 bolt holes. That's to mount it down to concrete, like a concrete floor in the garage or on a carport, something like that. But that's something we'll get into a little bit later in the video, because I do not have any concrete to mount this down to. So we'll talk about that a little bit later. I think these are the legs for it. Little stabilizer legs. That's the front part of it. There's where your tire sets in right here. When you go to break the bead on the tire, and then you have the bead breaker right here itself. Now this is the part that a lot of people is concerned about, because you can see it is a little bit thin metal, not very thick. And when you get to cranking down on this to break these beads on some of these bigger tires or older tires, could be stuck to the rim or something like that. Yeah, I can see where these could bend maybe. But that's one of the reasons why I'm only going to use it for ATV tires and side-by-side tires. They're a little bit easier to break down, so it should be no problem with it. Let's see what else we got. We got instructions, and we got a small bag of bolts. That's for the base. Alright, let's try to put this thing together, guys. I do have an 8th grade education, so I think I can figure it out. I mean, I got that going for me anyways. So anyways, here's the main part of the tire changer. You got your brackets here where the bead breaker attaches to. You got the main part of the base here. Make sure you line this bracket up with the front of the base. got the little rubber stopper here. This is where your tire kind of lays down on, so it don't like scoot back and forth on you. And I think the best thing to do for me is to lay this on its side, because it mounts in at an angle to allow for the legs to go on. Just grab a bolt, pop one through, uh-oh guys, I think I hear thunder. They were giving more rain for today, which I'm okay with that. When it rains, it's a lot cooler. And believe me, it's been super hot. Super hot. I think pretty much all over the United States has been in like a heat wave, especially out west. But it's always hot in Kentucky. You've always, usually July and the first part of August is like really, really miserable to be in Kentucky as far as the temperatures go. Now I didn't bring any wrenches with me. I'm just going to hand tighten all this, because the point of the video was to just unbox it and assemble it and, you know, see what it looks like put together. But grab your little side legs. And pop a bolt in. All right, got that one. Turn it over. Grab the other leg. The whole time I have been assembling this, there has been something here in the hills, the woods right here in front of me, just making a racket. Not quite sure what it is. I know there's a lot of squirrels around here, but it sounds a little bit bigger than a squirrel. Possibly a deer. All right. We got the base mounted. Now you got the actual bead breaker right here. And you got the little pin. Just take the clip out, the retaining clip. Pop the pin out, and it mounts right here. You have two adjustable holes here. You got an upper and a lower. It's to adjust the height up and down of the bead breaker. Pop your pin in, put the retaining clip back on. All right, there you go. All put together. Right here, this is, I know on the older models, I think the red ones, they had like a little pin that you could just like drop down in it from the top. A lot of people don't like how this one's made, because you cannot remove this pin. It swivels. So when you set your tire on here, you kind of got to reach around and guide the lug nut hole down over this little pin here. And the reason this pin, the purpose of this pin is for your tire not to spin or move around when you're using your tire iron to get the tire off. But anyways, there it is, all put together. And you know, really, it looks pretty good. I mean, it's fairly, you know, sturdy, I think. This is what they call the 2.0 version. The older ones that Harbor Freight had, they were the red ones. I think they were a little bit thinner metal. This is the new and improved version of it. Now, how you mount these, if you got a concrete garage or a floor in a garage, or a carport with a concrete floor, you take concrete anchors and you bolt the base down through the concrete. It's got 4 points to mount it with. It's got 1, 2, 3 points. in the back, and then it's got one up front here. It's got a mounting point up front to put into the concrete. But I do not have a garage or a carport, so I have no concrete to mount this to. But plus I wanted it to be portable. And some guys will take this and will mount it to a pallet, which, yeah, I could do that. I've got a whole stack of pallets laying around here I can mount it to. But I kind of had another idea for something a little bit better. I mean, it's along the same lines as a pallet, but it's going to be a little bit bigger and a little bit more sturdier. But it will still be portable. So that's going to be a future video. This video here, I just wanted to assemble this thing and take a good look at it. Like I said, I've never owned one of these before, never used one before. So it'll be interesting to see. I have I have a Honda Foreman that I'm going to be putting new tires on, and I'm going to use this to change the tires out and to mount them with it. And that will be an upcoming video when I do that. And then we'll really put it to the test, and we'll really see if it can do the job. I'm telling you guys, there's something walking around in the woods back here. You can hear the birds in the background, but it's not birds. I don't think it's a squirrel. Someone making quite a bit of a racket back here. To be honest with you, I'm getting a little bit nervous here. All right, guys, thanks for hanging in there and watching all the way to the end of this video. It really means a lot to me. I wanted to make this little short, quick video about this tire changer here. This is the first time I've ever done an unboxing video, and I'm fairly certain that it sucked. But I just want to get you guys' comments. If you have one of these tire changers, please, in the comments down below, tell me how well they work for you. You know, if it's a good deal, a bad deal, if it's a great tool to have around the house, or if it's just a big piece of junk and a waste of time. You know, hey, let me know what you guys think about this in the comments down below. And as always, please hit that like button. It gets my videos out there to more people. My videos get seen by more people. Please, if you feel like it and if you want to, it's all free. All you got to do is just hit that subscribe button. As you know, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. I am as of this video right now, I think I'm at 902 subscribers. So please, I don't like much more to get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. And I'm thinking when I do hit 1,000 subscribers, I think I'll be doing a little contest, a little giveaway. I have a couple things in mind that I want to do a contest over. So when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll probably celebrate with a contest giveaway to all my subscribers who has hung in there with me, watched these mediocre videos, put up with my hillbilly ways. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and hey, till next video, see you later.